Hello, Bulls. Hello, Bears. Welcome to another episode of Stock Rumors. Today, I want to teach you a very important lesson. It might sound simplistic, it might sound obvious to you, but it is very, very important. And that is patience. You have to be patient. That is, in my opinion, the most important thing that you have to master if you want to become a good trader. You could read charts, you could read reports, you could be a good analyst. If you're not patient, you will not succeed in the stock market. We can take, for example, the 2020 crash. Okay, we were at all-time highs in the stock market, more than 10 years in a bull market. And what happened? Bam. Okay, if you would have been patient enough, all right, and you were waiting for the stocks to come down, you would have had an opportunity. But let's forget about that. The stock market crashes. Now a company comes out and say, okay, we might not even have, we might have a vaccine, we might have a solution. And what happens? Bam, the stocks skyrocket, right? Now, and they don't have to come out with a solution. Just by saying that they might have a solution, the market reacts, because the psychology of the stock market, the psychology of trading is more important. People jump from fear to FOMO, right? People jump from fear to greed. People fear of missing out, and everybody starts reacting. So I can say by experience that 100% of the time that I have lost money is because I didn't wait long enough, or because I thought that I was gonna miss out a huge opportunity. I bought the stocks and boom, it went down because I didn't wait long enough. So the lesson here, you analyze a company, you could analyze the charts, but you have to come up in your mind with a price, okay? A limit price that you're willing to pay for that company, for those stocks. Once you have that price, you could even go a little lower and wait. If the stock price doesn't go as low as you want, forget about it, move on, find another one, because you will always have more opportunities. Forget about if you miss out. You will find another opportunity because the market is full of opportunities. I can tell you by experience that 100% of the time that I missed out is because I either bought or sold too early. So, okay, you have to take profits and you have to cut losses. Okay, you should have limits. I'm not saying that the stock is going down and you keep waiting. No, you need a good system, okay? And I've made videos about that, and you can check them out. You have to cut your losses, okay? You have to cut your losses. You should not wait for the stock to go all the way down to sell it, okay? You shouldn't be a bag holder. But when it's time to buy, don't fear of missing out. Okay? Don't fall in the FOMO trend. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Because waiting on the sidelines is another action. Okay? By waiting on the sidelines, you're taking action. Okay? You can buy, you can sell, or you could wait. So waiting, being patient, that's another strategy. Wait for that price. Wait for that price. Wait for it. Wait for it. I can tell you, if I should have waited for that price, that the sweet spot, the price that I wanted, I would have gotten it if I had waited. So be patient. I know this might sound oversimplistic, but if you analyze my videos, I show you very, very valuable lessons in a very simple way. Okay? The stock market will always be open, I guess. It could crash forever. I don't know. If our whole way of life changes, I don't know. But that's the likelihood of that happening, is slim. Okay? So you will always have more opportunities. Forget about if the price of the stock went all the way up and you missed out. Forget about that one. Move on. Find another company. Okay? And don't overtrade. That's another way that I have lost money when I buy so many. Okay? It's okay to diversify, but don't overdo it. Okay? Because it's easier to keep track of, uh, five companies that you like. Scan the stock market. You can look for the 100 most popular companies. You look at those companies, and from those 100 companies, select five, just five companies that you understand, that you're very familiar with. Keep those five companies on your watch. Okay? And wait for it. Wait for it. I'm telling you, if you wait for it, you will make a lot of money. Cut your losses. Okay? Don't hang on to those losers. Okay? And be patient. That's the lesson. That's the lesson I can teach you today. We've seen it all. Fear, boom, everybody sells. 2020 crash. The steepest crash, the worst crash for almost 100 years. But when they offer a solution, boom, stocks go all the way up. They say, oh, we failed. There is no vaccine. There is no solution. Boom, stocks drop again. So even when you think that the stocks will not reach that price, it might. Okay, so be patient. I hope that you can make good decisions. Bulls and bears. I'll see you in the next one.